So eventually, I had to tell him to go f himself. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Haven't been to this location in forever. I don't think this entire year. Let's go check it out. Yeah, I don't know if I've been here this year at all, have I? It's been a minute. Either way, let's go. All right, gonna check out the sneakers, size 10.5 first. Let's go. Starting off with these weird shoes, the Rex Quandos. Oh, they're just called the Quandos. It reminds me of the dude in Napoleon Dynamite.
1 week with me in my dojo, you'll be prepared to defend yourself with the strength of a grizzly.
But yeah, they're called the Quandos. And these are definitely interesting, dude. Heavy as hell. $150 for those bad boys. Oh, I thought these were the Jordan 2s. I was like, oh hell no, $40 for the waffle babies right there. Jordan 37s, $100. Air Max 1 premiums. I'm so curious to see what these type of sneakers are going for. $130. $130. I feel like we could find these cheap at the regular outlets, especially with that extra discount off the back wall. We got Hirachis right here, going for $60. Infinity Run Flyknits, $80. Air Max Pre-Days. I was like, these are interesting. Not really. $70 for those. Even Air Forces. What's the retail for Air Force now? $110. So $20 off. That's it. That's it. Just checking to see I was checking to see if they're B grades, and they're not. They're not. But still, only $20 off. Really? Jordan mids going for $100. So what is that? 25 off for that. The lows right here go for $80. Air Force Ones go for $70. We're starting to see some discounts finally. Moving down to the 10th, LeBron 2 Midnight Navies. This might be one of the cheapest we've seen. These $100 for these bad boys. These do run true to size, so I did grab a 10.5 my size for those. Air Force One, $60. That's, see, now we're starting to see stuff. That does have that crack leather. Kind of tired of that crack leather. And then it has, what kind of material? It's just regular cotton? Regular cotton linen or something? Okay, those $60, not bad. Dub Zeros go for $80. That's actually a pretty dope colorway, to be honest. Finding a ton of these mids. See, there's a Dunk Low. See what these are going for $100. So was that $10 off? Really? Really? $10 off? Oh, there's a premium, so it might be what, $20 to $20 off? Terminator Lows. Not the biggest fan of those. And then some Jordan 6 white infrared lows, $150 for those. Moving down in size, got some Air Force Ones right here going for $60, and the 9.5. Soldiers going for $60. Streak Flies, we've even seen these at Ross lately. $80 cheap. It is a little bit more expensive than Ross. See what these LeBron 19 lows are going for $70 for those. Hirachis, like you just have to find stuff that has like zero hype or negative hype. That might be a decent deal. $60 for those. Del Don's going for $50. $70 for these. That's not bad. Air Max 90 right there. The Zoom Generations going for $150. This is a fire colorway, but $150. Kind of steep. Oh, these are $200 normally, especially since look like they've been worn. Gives me the vibe that they've been worn. Yeah, $150 steep. Got these right here. System 23s down to $25. Okay, certain things are cheap. See what this. So what's up? These Jordan. See, this is legit. See, they do have certain things that are on sale. I think they just have to sit here forever. But yeah, that is a steal. $79.99. That's the cheapest we've seen for these in quite a long time. We're moving up to some of the bigger sizes. Take One 4s going for $60. See, so there are slight discounts here and there. Like I guess if you're into these, you know, Jordan Access going for $50. That's the cheapest we've seen for those. Vapor Max Plus, $100. That's probably a really good price. Got LeBron 19s right here, 70. Del Dons, interesting colorway, super orange. Go for 50 bucks. Damn, with the selection and the prices, like damn, I'm gonna be honest, the Ross have been a lot more interesting than this, to be really honest. Like you can find certain things like this, like the Air Max 90 Golf. Go for 60 bucks. This is a size 12, $60. That's not too bad. But overall, most of the stuff here is like hella mediocre. Oh my goodness. Dunks go for $90. What the hell? Size 13 Ducat mids go for 100 bucks. A white cement Jordan 37s go for $80. Got some of the Jordan One Low Golf go for 110. This is a size 15. There still are campers here, and I guess they're grabbing a couple things in there. Don't see any huge piles or anything though. I've been checking backpacks, not really seeing anything crazy. Do got these going for 20 bucks. This is a dope place to get backpacks. $15 for these, but pretty generic. I have been checking the regular outlets for the backpacks. The price has been crazy. Even at Ross, the prices have been pretty insane. Just double XL training shirts go for 15 bucks. Jordan flight jacket right here. This is a medium, $40 normally, $1.25. So you can find deals. You just have to look around. NBA All-Star shirts. These are Jordan NBA All-Star shirts, $25. Oh, and it's like a t-shirt and a long sleeve together. What the F? That's just weird. That's a weird shirt. And that's a small. This is a small. This looks freaking huge for a small. I guess they're way oversized. Trojan shirts going for 15. I've always said this place is a super dope spot for apparel. Let's see if that has changed at all. Got tennis hoodies. Price unknown. I got some of these colored ones right here. These are 60 down to 25. The regular size is down to 30. This is a triple XL. Got some red ones. I thought they had other colors. My bad. Guess not, dude. Just those two colors. Do got Jetman. It's like a blue or purple. This is a blue or purple. And do got slim fit fleece jackets. Look at this. $30 down from 100. So that's not bad. These are small though. I've always been a huge fan of their sweats and fleece and that type of stuff. This is like super nice. This material is like super nice. 100 down to $30. I did check to see if they have any mediums or larges, and yeah, they don't. It's all XL. Dang it. And I did walk around to see if they had any, and no, they don't. They just have the super baggy Jordan sweats, which I'm not a big fan of. These seem a little more tapered, but yeah, 80 down to 30. These look like some work pants. What the hell are these? I don't know. They have a waist size and everything. I don't know, but they're normally 130 down to 50 bucks. These are pretty dope. 60 down from 120. Pretty solid materials and stuff. This is like the cheaper stuff right here. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, see? It feels a lot cheaper. 45 down to 25. This is the material that's super nice. Normally 80, but they don't have the best sizes. All right, I'm done. Let's go next door. I got other stuff next door. Couple of you guys did mention that, hey, I haven't been there, and y'all were curious. That's why I haven't been there. It's been pretty mediocre. Price is really high. It's not like it's the workers' their fault. Like it's headquarters that prices stuff, but it's been worthless. Which is crazy because when I see stuff on the East Coast, like with Ballinonabudget, I feel like he's been finding a lot more deals there. I don't know. Yeah, so I definitely go by trends and what's hot, what's not, that type of stuff. So, all right, Ross has been hitting. Let's go. And Bossco, I don't think we've really ever found anything here because it's always hit by all the resellers that hit up the Nike clearance store. But it's definitely worth checking. They have a pretty big activewear section, but just not much. These are fire, dude. These are super dope. The UCLA Jordan pullovers, pretty fire. Such good material on them too. Also seen these in a million spots. Material is just super nice on them. Wish I had some Under Armour like sneakers and stuff, but I don't even have any Under Armour sneakers. But yeah, the Under Armour pullover, 25 bucks. Super premium material. Florida Nike hoodie right here. This is pretty nice, $70, and their price here is $25. I didn't find much over there. This is the kids section right here. Marcus Mariota? What the hell? Okay. It's a kids jersey or something. $30. That's actually not that bad. One of the resellers just came up to me. Interesting interaction. He came up to me. We'll talk about it then. Do got Forum Lows right here, 6.5. Going for 25 bucks. Got these going for 25. That's a size 8. Size 9 of these. Way too much bling. $30 for these bad boys. This is a huge size. Oh, size 10. Why do these look so huge? Holy cow. Clifton 8s right here. These look pretty nice. Going for 80 bucks. Got more Crocs right here. Going for 25. Dude, not really seeing much. And then huge sizes. 30 for these. Then some K-Swiss right here. $23. Checking the women's section, 25 bucks for these. That's how most of the aisles look though, just really empty, barely any sneakers. Got some budget slides, normally 25. Tell me these are 10 bucks, $13. Got Hoka's right here going for 80. $37 for these Vans right here, skate highs. The suede on these, they're so nice. Got these. What size are these? These are 11.5, so size 10. Is this a women's or is this a men's? I think these are men's, but these are tight. 11.5, like, is barely big on me. Holy crap. I'm trying to find a size 12 for somebody, and yeah, these 11.5 definitely not gonna work. Might need like a size 13. These are so tight. Holy cow. That's interesting. That's good to know. That's why you got to try stuff on, you guys. Just wrapped up. They got sheriffs here? They got sheriffs here? I wonder why sheriff's here. Is he here to shop? Is he here to go after someone? Alright, there is a Marshall's. We haven't found nothing at Marshall's, but I got a little bit of time. I got time. So let's go check it out. Then we'll talk about what happened. Alright, nothing in the apparel. Check the sneaker section. Wonder if I'm gonna find anything. $327. New Balances. What's the price on these? Oops, $50. Holy cow. Fresh Foam 860s going for 60. They was in the price on all of these sneakers right now. Got some RSX going for $40. That's not too bad. I'm telling you, some of these Skechers, especially the Go Run rides, the Go Run at 11, I think they're on. Got that Hyper Burst. They're not bad, dude. They're not bad. Curious to see what the price is. Like, my running shoes are Skechers, 50 bucks. Of course, I got my Go Run Ride 7s. That was many years ago, but yeah, I did grab those for 50 bucks, I think. Got some Superstars right here. Definitely not some Doc Martens. 50 bucks for these. Top 10s right here. What the hell are these going for? These going for $40. Interesting colorway. Got some of that crocodile skin or faux crocodile skin. And then do got some Panda lows. Not really. All right, let's go home and talk. All right, guys, that was the clearance store. Pretty much that's why I haven't been there in months. I don't know if I've even been there this year. Like, I want to say it's been at least 6 months I've been there, because I just know the pricing scheme, stuff like that. They also changed the fact that, hey, you can't return anything there anymore. You can return stuff at other outlets, but you can't return stuff at the clearance store. That means they're gonna have even less Jordan. So I just haven't gone. Prices have been mediocre, and their selection, it's just been pretty whatever. So I do want to talk about one thing. I did have a confrontation with one of the resellers that was present, and it's weird because I didn't really even say anything about the resellers or reselling in general. So I don't know why he came up to me like this, but yeah, I just thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd talk to you guys about it. And I also want to see what you guys think. All right, so one of the fools did come up to me when I was at Ross, and you know, he came up to me and his first question was, why do you hate resellers? That was his first question. So I don't know if he was familiar with me. I don't know. Like, I saw him make eye contact with me a couple times while we were at the clearance store. So it seemed obvious he was looking at me. I don't know if he was like looking forward to confronting. I don't know. I assumed he had at least seen a couple of my videos, so I did try to have a conversation with him. You know, I'm not too big into confrontations, to be really honest. So I was like, all right, let's talk. All right. So I did ask him, hey, do you ever watch any of my videos? Have you seen any of my videos? Because I wanted to try to get a context of, like, hey, did he hear me talking trash about resellers right there? Or is there a history of me talking trash and he was aware of it? I don't know. I wasn't really sure. So you know, I asked him, hey, have you seen any of my videos? I was like, hey, have you seen any of my recent videos? Have you seen anything within the last couple of years? Because to be honest, I don't think I've said anything offensive or talked trash or said anything negative about resellers for about the last 2 years at least. Before that, I probably have, because yeah, resellers piss me off. but I understand the game a little bit more, and I understand how things work a little bit more. So I really haven't thought trash, because even in one of my videos recently, I did say, hey, resellers put in a lot more work than the collectors, and the collectors really haven't put in the work. Like I even said that. I even said that in this video right here. So you know, so that's why I was kind of curious. So I did ask him, hey, have you seen any of my videos? Have you blah blah? So we talked for a couple minutes. We talked for a minute or two. So then he talked about like me talking trash about resellers or something, and I was trying to get examples. I was trying to ask a couple questions and stuff like that. But then he kept talking over me. He kept talking over me, and he wouldn't allow me to talk. Or even if I did talk, he wasn't listening anyway. So I'm like, what the F is the point of having a conversation? Usually the way conversations work, you ask a question, then the other person replies, then they ask a question, and then they reply, make a comment, whatever. But it's a two-way street. So, you know, I was trying to have a conversation with him. I was trying to figure out if I've really been talking trash about resellers, because I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I have. But yeah, so I tried to converse with him, and he just kept talking over me. He kept talking over me. He kept raising his voice. So eventually, I had to tell him to go f himself. Like it is what it is, you know. Like, I'm not gonna be talked down by someone I don't even know. And if they had valid criticisms, like I said, I was ready to talk, and I was like, hey, let's go, let's converse, whatever. But I'm not gonna just be there and chastised by some person I don't even know, and someone who doesn't even know my content. Like, it is what it is. So, you know, obviously I didn't have to tell him to go f himself, but I kind of did, and you know, I don't feel bad about it. I really don't. I don't know. Have I been talking trash about resellers? Have I said anything negative? I already know about 50% of the people that watch are resellers, so I haven't really said anything. And like I said, I even said this in one of my videos recently. People in the sneaker industry like complain about reselling, blah blah blah, that stuff, and that's me too. Don't get me wrong, as a collector, that's me too. But resale is alive in almost any capitalistic venture. Like, you know, you look at used cars, you look at new cars. There's all kinds of resale stuff going on there. You look at you know, the sports card industry. You look at houses. You look at almost anything that has value, anything that can be collected. And there's resale, like, you know, and like I said, I'm not happy about it as a collector. I'm not happy about it. You see all the Jordans, you see all the Nikes. I have tons of Adidas. Like, I have stuff, but you know. But I understand that there is resale, and you know, I have to put effort into things. So as a collector, y'all need to do better. Y'all need to do better, man. So I've even defended, you know, the concept of reselling and how just capitalism works. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if I've been talking about trash and I haven't noticed. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. And it is what it is. But yeah, I got plenty coming. I'm gonna be out plenty this weekend as well. 3-day weekend. We do have a 3-day weekend. I'm curious to see what sales Nike has. Usually the Nike sales start on Thursday, so I don't know. We'll see. I might call around. I might go to spot. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.